Hi Mahigala, Maestra Judy here. Welcome to Cebuano101.com YouTube channel. As promised, mga higala, we will break down the sentences and phrases that we have discussed in the vlog number 2. So we will break down word for word so that you guys will understand better of all those phrases and sentences. Okay, so let's watch the first segment, Kalami sa ilang mangga. Kalami silang mangga. Okay, our sentence construction here is we put the superlative adjective or the adjective at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject pronoun, and then followed by the object. So normally we put the adjective at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so here we have kalami sa ilang mangga. Their mango looks delicious. So this one is sort of like my expression. The first time I saw their mangoes, I find their mangoes looks yummy. Okay, they have nice mangoes. So here, what do you think is the superlative adjective? Yes, the adjective here is lami, kalami. I was describing the mango. That's why I said kalami. So lami is the root word here. Lami means delicious, and when I say kalami, it is a superlative. Okay, so kalami, it's like wow, it looks really delicious. By the way, mga higala, I already have a lesson about superlatives, so I have a series about that on my site. So if you are a serious learner and you want to access all the lessons on my site, please head over to cebuano101.com and become my patron. Now let's go back to the lesson. Okay, and then followed by our subject pronoun. So what is our subject pronoun here? Okay, that's no other than ilang. So ila means there. Okay, and then there is a nga linker here right after ila. So we say ilang to connect mango to the subject pronoun. That's why we say ilang mangga, their mangoes or their mango. Okay, now I use sa here, okay, the sa, because my adjective is directed to their mangoes. Now our object here is the mango, okay, because we're talking about that thing, that item. I can actually just say kalami sa mangga. That means the mango looks really delicious. But I put ilang here because I am referring to the vendor's mangoes. There was actually another vendor right after the kuya's stall. So there was another woman selling mangoes as well. And their mangoes really looks nice. Really looks lami. Okay? So that's why I said kalami sa ilang mangga. So I was referring to their mangoes, how their mangoes looks really delicious. All right, so one more time, let's listen to my expression the first time I went out of the car.
Hinog.
Kalami silang mangga. Okay, that's all mga higala for this tutorial. Daghang salamat mga higala sa inyong oras for learning Bisaya with me. I hope to see you next time. If you're very new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, mga higala, let me know your thoughts about this lesson. So, maora to, that's all. I'll see you next time. Amping kanunay, bye!